We are at one of the most fun days of a remodel. It's demo day, when we start tearing things out, ripping out walls, and seeing what's behind them. We have some surprises sometimes. So I wanted to give you a tour, show you our old house that we're going to spend over $100,000 in remodeling, and I want to show you behind the scenes of demo day. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Coach Carson TV. My name is Chad Carson. You can also call me Coach, and this channel is all about investing in real estate so you can achieve financial independence and do more of what matters. I'm going to give you a tour. We're going to take a look around and show you this is a triplex. I have another video linked in the show description where you can see an overview of this whole project, but I want to show you specifically what a demo is. A demo means different things for different projects. Sometimes it just means cleaning up the property. But in this case, this is an old property, maybe late 1800s, early 1900s, and we've got to rip out the walls, we've got to rip out the electrical, we're going to be ripping out insulation, cabinets, and it's pretty cool, so let's go take a look. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of our triplex property. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done. The demo is the very first step where we take everything apart, and it really has to be done before any of the follow-up jobs like redoing all the electrical, redoing all the plumbing, fixing the foundation work, installing new heating and air, new windows, new siding, new sheetrock. All of that's still to come, and so I hope you'll stick with me. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you don't miss any of the future videos. And if you have any questions about this particular part of the project, about this project in general, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know your questions, and I hope you'll stick around with Coach Carson TV, which is all about investing in real estate so you can achieve financial independence and do more of what matters. See you next time.